Hey friends, this is Carlton Lewis. Welcome back to the channel. I am your Atlanta real estate agent. And in this video, we are gonna preview this 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath, custom home, luxury all throughout. I know you're gonna like it. So it's in one of the most desired areas in Metro Atlanta. And before we even get to that, I wanna let you know how this is gonna work. In the next section, the next chapter, I am going to share with you some of the features and benefits of this house. And then right after that, we're gonna start your tour. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Definitely, if you have any comments or questions about this house, put them down below. I answer all comments and questions. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this house. Let's take a look inside. Take a look at this beautiful 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, custom 2-story home in Sandy Springs. This stunning 5,168 square foot new construction home is located just north of Chastain Park. The listing agent is Tiana Harrison with Engel Volkers Atlanta. It was designed and built by Atlanta Lifestyles Incorporated. This home features a robust redesign and contemporary flair in Atlanta's most desirable area code. This modern show home with woodland private views dramatically reveals itself upon entering through its grand pivot door and swanky 2-story foyer. With natural birch hardwood floors throughout, the sunken open plan great room and kitchen on the main abound with natural light from surrounding picture windows and its perfect setting. The 12-foot floor-to-ceiling marble tile fireplace, wet bar / butler pantry, gourmet kitchen featuring Wolf and Viking stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and quartz island with waterfall countertop depict glamour and style. The dining room is the perfect layout for intimate dinners and holiday parties. Off the kitchen, relax, entertain, and enjoy the gunite, saltwater pool, extended deck, and green space. There's a guest room / office on the main, plus 4 bedrooms including a luxury owner suite and central loft / flex space upstairs. The owner suite has balcony access, a dual-sided fireplace, and a dressing room. The ensuite spa bath accommodates a standing, soaking tub, frameless shower, double vanity with backlit LED mirrors, and loads of modern detail. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunity to own this beautiful West Coast inspired abode. It has the perfect home ratio to live, work, and play. This gorgeous home is located in the Fulton County School District. Local schools include Herds Ferry Elementary, Ridgeview Charter, and Riverwood International Charter. Now let's take a look inside. Hey, welcome back. What did you think about this 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath custom home here in Sandy Springs, Georgia? I really like this house. Definitely leave a comment. And if you have any questions about this home or any other home on my channel, don't be afraid to ask the questions, all right? Now make sure you subscribe to this channel. Definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment like I said before, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to keep on bringing these home tours to you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day. Peace. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis coming to you live and direct from Sandy Springs, Georgia. I am your Atlanta real estate agent, and today we are going to preview this beauty right here. 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, and I think you're gonna love this house. Whoa. That one's for the blooper reel. That one is definitely for the blooper reel. Damn B.